What is the area code? What's the name of the company you work for? What's wrong? What's your address? Where can I find a hospital? Where's the closest restaurant? Where's the pharmacy? Who are you? Who is that? Who would you like to speak to? Will you take me home? Would you like water or milk? 11 days ago. 2 hours. A long time ago. All day. Are they coming this evening? Are you comfortable? Are your children with you? As soon as possible. At 3 o'clock in the afternoon. At 5th Street. At 7 o'clock at night. At 7 o'clock in the morning. At what time did it happen? Can I help you? Do you have a swimming pool? Do you have this in size 11? Do you think you'll be back by 11:30? Every week. Every day I get up at 6. Expiration date. Have you been waiting long? He'll be back in 20 minutes. His family is coming tomorrow. How about Saturday? How long are you going to stay in California? How long are you going to stay? How long will it take? How much altogether? How much will it cost? I don't have enough money. I'm getting ready to go out. I'm just looking. I'm worried too. It rained very hard today. It'll be cold this evening. It's $17. It's 6. It's 8:45. It's 6:45. It's going to snow today. It's here.